Kakanun Menteri kala menjorru ban Pynjlan negarta juki Nonghikai SSA syakasok san Snem ki banangdon hakakam hikai bat ki bakwa Thep kam Nonghikai Biang high school government lower primary upper primary secondary bat higher secondary. Ya kania lepen bena do menteri ketenaga puti urakam esangma berulong bakania kejing Pynjlan negarta kan ailat iki benekon ya ki eksemen tungkam balapen bena ke Sorkar high school lower primary upper primary secondary bat higher secondary.
To the relaxation of upper age limit for serving SSA teachers for recruitment into government LP/UP or secondary and higher secondary schools.
And the relaxation of the upper age limit for the serving SSA teacher for participation and the recruitment for the government LP and the UP and the higher secondary up to the age of 45 years from now. So those who already appointed in the SSA with due process, they will be allowed to participate in the recruitment process up to the age of 45 years. Yang ke agar kata kusuk ni kan cabinet dalu decision ko rahan jirangan SSA teacher ang watch